Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox rotation. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox rotation, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about Roblox and you will click here. Then in this list of app info, you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will go to click storage. Here in this page we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can go to your airplane mode. You will turn on, then you can wait a moment and you can turn off your airplane mode to fix your problem that we have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.